Hello everyone, today we are going to see how we can create WhatsApp marketing automation for your supermarket business leads. So here our objective is that whenever you get a new lead for our supermarket business in Facebook lead ads, then we want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. For this, we are going to use Vati and we need to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Vati. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Vati. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And this is my Facebook page of my supermarket. And it is named as Fresh Market. And I'm also promoting my supermarket by running an ad on my Facebook page, which is getting me a lot of leads. Now, what I want is that whenever I get a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead and to tell them about my offers and rewards. And to send this message, I'm going to use Vati, which helps businesses to send and receive messages on WhatsApp. Now for this, I have to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Vati. And for this, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I will click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now, what we want is we want to create a new workflow. For that, I will click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here, I have to name my workflow. So I will name it as my objective, which is to send automated WhatsApp message to supermarket leads. Now I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I will select Home and I will click on Create. And it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we will set up our trigger first. So my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I will search for that. I will select this. Now I have to give a trigger event. So for that, I will open this tab and I will select this new lead instant, which will be my trigger event. Now I will connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I will click on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. I will click on Continue to give access to my account. Now I have successfully connected my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. And here we have two options, page and lead gen form. Now for this, let's go to Facebook. And this is my page, which is named as Fresh Market. And for the lead gen form, I will open this Meta Business Suite. Here I will go to All Tools. And in All Tools, I will find this Instant Forms. And here we have this lead form. So I will open this. And we have these details here, first name, last name, email, phone number. And this is how my form looks like. So I will close this. And this is the lead gen form that we are going to use. So I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. So my page is Fresh Market. And my lead gen form will be lead form. And here we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So whenever we generate this lead or whenever we create this workflow, we need to make sure that our lead gen form is live. So I will click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, I'm going to create a sample submission, and for that I will use Metaphor Developer. So I will open Metaphor Developer. Here I will go to my apps, tools, and in tools I will find this lead ads RTO debug tool, and it will take us to this page, and we have these details here, page and the form. So I will select my page, which is fresh market, and my form is lead form. So now I'm going to click here on preview form button. Then I will fill dummy details in the form and I will create a sample submission. So I will click on preview form. So this is my form and I'm going to fill dummy details here. So the first name will be dummy. Last name will be user. Email will be dummyuser@pabblytunes.com, and I will give a random phone number. And I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. So my form is submitted and I have generated this lead. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have this new response. So the first name is dummy, last name is user, and the email is dummyuser@pabblytunes.com, and we have this random phone number. So what we need is, we want to use this phone number and we want to send an automated WhatsApp message to this phone number. So for this, I will set up my action and I will open this, and my action application will be Vati. So I will select this. Now I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab, and send template message will be my action event. So I will select this and I will connect Vati with Pabbly Connect. So I will click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And to connect Vati with Pabbly Connect, I have to give API endpoint and access token. Now for this, I need to go back to Vati. So I will go to Vati, and here I will go to API docs. And here we can see we have this access token and API endpoint. So I will copy this access token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste it here. Now I will go back to Vati. I will copy this API endpoint. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste that API endpoint here. So I have filled my details here. Now I'm going to click on save. And my connection is successful. Now I have to give the WhatsApp number. So for the WhatsApp number, I'm going to map that number here, and I'm going to use mapping here. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous step, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open this response, and this is the WhatsApp number where I want to send the automated message. So I will select this. Now I have to select the template. So for the template, let's go to Vati. Now I will go to templates. And here we have these templates, and we are going to use this supermarket lead template. So I will open this. So the name of my template is supermarket lead, and the category is marketing, and the language is English US, and we don't have any broadcast title, so it is none. And this is the body of my message. So in this message, I'm telling my leads about my special offers and my exclusive rewards. And we have this one variable which is of name. This will change according to our lead. So I will map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So I will go to Pabbly Connect. Now I will select my template. So I will open this, and supermarket lead will be my template. So I will select this. Now I have to give the broadcast name. So for this, let's go to Vati. And here in the broadcast title, we have none. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will type none here. Now we have this most important step, which is of custom params, and I want to avoid mistakes here. So the custom params should always be in this format, and we have custom params in name value pair. So I will just copy this and I will paste it here. Now we have one variable which is of name. So in the name section, I'm gonna clear this color and I will give my variable here, so which is name. So I will type name here, and in the value section, I will clear this blue and I will map the name of my lead from the previous step. So I will open this response. So this is the first name of my lead. I will give a space. I will map the last name. So this will be my name of my lead. So this is my custom param, and I only have one parameter which is of name. So I have added that here. Now, if you want to add other parameters, you just need to give a comma and you need to follow this format again. So I have filled all my details here. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have this response. So in this response, we can see we have generated this contact ID. So this means that we have sent a message to this particular user. Now to check this, let's open WhatsApp. And here we can see we have received this new message. So I will open this. And this is the body of my message. And we have this dummy user, which is the name of our lead. And this is the name of my supermarket. So we have sent this automated message automatically to the Facebook lead that we have just generated. And here we can see our integration between Facebook lead ads and Vati is working successfully. So whenever we are generating a new lead in Facebook lead ads, then we are sending an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. Now let's go to Pabbly Connect. So our workflow here is working successfully. So let's summarize what we did here. First, we have set up our trigger, and our trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and our trigger event was new lead instant. Then we have set up our action, and our action application was Vati, and our action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.